Hey, it's Monty, it's geometry, and we're talking circles and all the vocabulary that we use to describe circles, okay? So, we introduced the idea of circles in our vocabulary, we went through some examples, we created what's on the wall, and now we got to do some practice, okay? So, use this sheet as your reference, okay? And go and try to answer all these questions, all right? So let's see how we do. A segment with endpoints on the circle. A segment with endpoints on the circle. Okay? So let's draw a little circle here and endpoints on the circle. Kind of like that. Okay? So if you look at your reference sheet, okay, see if you can find it, but right there, chord. All right? Exactly half, okay? Exactly half a circle, okay? So if you half a circle would be a semicircle, okay? Semicircle, all right? A segment from the center of a circle to any point on the circle. From the center of the circle to any point. Oh, that's a radius, isn't it? Yeah, radius. Okay. An angle whose vertex is the center. The vertex is the center. Okay. Central angle. Okay. A segment with endpoints on the circle that passes through the circle. Okay, that's called a secant line. Okay, use a word from the list above to describe each of the picture. Okay, well, I like this one. I know that's diameter. I think what they're referring to is right here, and that's called an arc. Okay, this one's called the radius. Bisect angles. You might have called it something different, but I think that means it's equal to each other. Chord has the vertex at the center, so it's called a central angle. Alright, multiple choice. The diagram on the right shows a sector of a circle. Yes, sector. Right? Which of the following defines the boundary of the sector? 2 radii and a chord. 2 diameters, no way. 2 radii and an arc. Ooh, I like that. 2 radii, arc, 2 chords. Okay, the radius of the circle is 5 centimeters. How long is the diameter? 5 and 5, so it's 10. Okay. All right. So hopefully that was helpful on our first assignment.